Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are 4gineers and will present to you MediDoc. Currently, there are limited applications to centralize medical records across all hospitals, making it hard for the doctor to get the patient's medical records from other hospitals. However, if hospitals share their database, it will raise privacy issues and information leaks. Hence, via MediDoc, we aim to empower the patients to have the right to aggregate their medical data across hospitals. Our solution involves a mobile application for patients and a website for the medical personnel. Now, let's see the features for the mobile application.
Here is our sign-in page. The user will only need their email address and their password to sign in. Once the user signs in, they will be brought to the statistics page. An advertisement to advertise the hospitals and clinics that are in collaboration with us will be popped up. In the statistics page, health information like weight and blood pressure can be displayed. Their respective graphs are plotted to display the inputted data by the user. User can alter the health categories displayed on this page by tapping on the plus icon. Moving on to the medical record page, the user can then decide on the file to be viewed by tapping on the respective categories. Here, the user can view the medical records. In the notification page, the users are reminded to take their medications or prompted to do medical examinations. User would receive a notification when the doctor wants to access the patient's medical record. More details on this will be featured in the following slides. In the profile page, the user can then change their profile details and add settings like the language used for the application. User can then log out of the application using the logout button. Next, let's look at the features on the doctor's dashboard website.
On the dashboard website, medical personnel will use the license number to sign up for a MediDoc account. The medical personnel will only need to key in their email address and password to sign in. Upon signing in, they will be directed to the dashboard. By default, the examining page will be displayed. The regular patients and the upcoming appointments are displayed below the search bar. The doctor can easily search for patients using the search bar by keying in the patient's IC or passport number. MediDoc offers high information security towards the patient's medical records, as the patients must give their consent when the doctor wants to examine their records. After successfully searching for the patient records, the doctor must select the required medical records and request access to the selected documents. Then, the patient will receive a notification to either approve or reject the doctor request for file sharing. A disclaimer will be shown to the patient so that they are aware that the MediDoc is not held liable on the shared information upon their approval.
After the patient approves the request, the medical personnel can now view the medical records selected.
Moving on to the upload page, the doctor can easily upload the medical records from their computer by dragging and dropping the selected files. Similar to the mobile app, in the profile page, the medical personnel can change their profile detail and their settings like the language used. They can log out using the logout button. Moving on to the future work, it includes the utilization of optical character recognition for information extraction from the uploaded medical record. This information will be then segregated autonomously into their respective categories, which would be performed using machine learning. Moreover, the information of the doctor's profile could be viewed in the user's mobile application. In conclusion, with MediDoc, the medical records are easily accessible without the hassle of physically passing the documents across hospitals. This provides comprehensive information to the doctors in making better diagnosis and treatment plan, other than the main feature of our app, which is empowering the patients to have the right to aggregate the medical data. Additional features are added to improve the user's experience. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.